Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and it is so hot outside, but that is not the only thing that's hot. This solar-powered electric fence charger by My Pet Command is absolutely amazing. It works rain or shine, day or night. We actually got it to help protect our horses, and I could not be more thrilled with this product. One thing I wondered about an electric fence solar panel was how well will it work if I don't have sunshine day after day. Well, the great thing is that this, once it's fully charged, can work 10 to 15 days without sunlight. But the sun is not your only option of charging. You can also hook it up to an electric outlet, and it can be fully charged that way as well. Setup was really easy. You just attach your red and green cables to the box, and then your red cable will actually attach to the fence. Your green cable will attach to your ground rod. I think it's so convenient that it comes with a starting earthing rod. At our home, we already had a ground rod when we moved in, so we just used that. We also used a hook so that we could just hang it on a fence post high enough so that our curious horses will keep from kicking it. And that way, if we feel like we need to move it, then we can. You do have the option to attach the box to a surface. It's built to be self-charging. How sufficient is that? When you have a little farm, daily tasks, throw kids into the mix, animals, it is so nice to have something that just kind of takes care of itself, and that's exactly what this box does. I really do enjoy it. I think you will too, and that is my point of view.